Welcome back to our practical tutorial. Today we're unlocking a warning signal for midterm trend reversals, the moving average slope shift. Moving averages show the current trend, but how do you predict when it's running out of gas? The answer is the slope. When the 50-day moving average slope starts to flatten, a midterm reversal is often ahead. To use this powerful tool, just open the My Indicator feature and go to the My Indicator samples list at the top. Find Slope Shift and click Copy on the far right. The system fills in the parameters automatically. The left is the S&P 500 SPX 50-period simple moving average. The right is the same, but crucially, it automatically checks Shift and sets it to 3. Why Shift 3? Because a 3-period gap perfectly filters out short-term daily noise, letting you clearly see the moving average's true slope trajectory. Subtracting the two gives the exact slope momentum. Click Save. Now, how do we use it in practice? We ran a nearly 20-year backtest on the SPX. In this strategy, we cleverly use RangeRank to catch extreme turning points. Because RangeRank converts complex absolute values into a simple 0 to 100 scale, letting you instantly spot extreme levels based on history. Entry condition: set the RangeRank period to 50 and choose cross above 1. This means the downward slope reached its limit and is curling up a perfect golden cross for dip buying. Exit condition: set the RangeRank period to 50 and choose cross below 99. This indicates the upward slope hit extreme euphoria and is starting to flatten a precise death cross to escape the top. Look at these stunning backtest results. Over the past 20 years, the total return reached 390.5%, while slightly lower than buy and hold. Notice that its time in market is only 54.1%. Even more hardcore is its win rate. Across 45 midterm trades, 37 were profitable, sending the win rate to a massive 82.2%. By sitting in cash for almost half the time, you avoid major market crashes while maintaining an incredibly high win rate. Stop waiting on lagging moving averages. Go to the My Indicator samples list to copy it with one click and add it to your strategy library today. See you next time.